What's up everybody, today I have this Ulefone Armor 12 5G. Welcome to another honest review video. Yeah, this one got released a few months ago and I've been using this one for a while, and now I think it's the correct time to do a long-term review video of this Ulefone Armor 12 5G. Yeah, the name is a very long one, but that doesn't matter. What matters most is the performance. This is a rugged smartphone. This one comes with quite a lot of certifications, and if you are here to know whether I'm satisfied with this one or not, then I am totally satisfied with this one because this is the only rugged smartphone that I am using now. Well, let's start from unboxing and let's go through some performance tests. Okay, today I have this Ulefone Armor 12 5G. Let's start from unboxing. After opening the box, yeah, the first thing, there is another small box or a package. Inside this package, I think there is there is a SIM ejector tool and some paperworks. They have even included a user guide how to charge this phone. Wow, they have thought about everything. Also, they have provided an extra screen protector inside this box. I have said extra because I believe there is one screen protector already applied on the smartphone. Well, that's our Ulefone Armor 12 5G. They have already printed some specifications on this protective cover. This one comes with IP68, IP69K, military standard 810G. Wow, a lot of certification, and yeah, a very big battery, 5180 mAh. Also, there are 4 cameras at the rear. One of those camera is 48 megapixel camera, and we will talk about camera performance later. Well, put this smartphone aside. Underneath the smartphone, there is a red colored. Wow, looks nice. A very good quality USB-A to USB-C charging cable. I like this thing. They have even provided a strap and a USB-C to 3.5mm dongle. Who would provide that? These days, other brands are not even providing charging cables or chargers, and they have provided a USB-C to 3.5mm dongle. Well, there is a very good quality 18-watt charger. This one is a USB-A charger. Let's unwrap our Ulefone Armor 12 5G. This one comes with a hybrid SIM slot. There are 2 slots. If you want, you can use 2 SIM cards, or if you want, then you can extend your storage with a micro SD card. Well, let's unwrap the screen protector. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, there is a screen protector already applied on this smartphone. In hand, this one doesn't feel so big and doesn't feel so heavy. Build quality is a very premium. This one comes with a very cheap price tag, but wow, in hand it gives me a premium class feelings. I am already satisfied with the build quality. And if you don't know yet, then yes, at the back they have added antibacterial coating. So if you are holding it and if there is any bacteria, then that's the end of that bacteria or any type of germs. Altogether, this is a rugged smartphone, and the design language comes with that rugged smartphone design. Usually, I don't like any type of lettering or any numbers or any type of words at the back of any smartphone. But this stripe underneath this rear camera setup and all the wordings, all the names and things, I think the whole thing got blended into the design. It doesn't feel like the words are forcefully placed over there. This one comes with dual hi-fi speaker. There are 2 speakers at the back. There is nothing on top, but you may notice a hole in the center. That's actually to add an extra protective case. Other than a primary microphone and a USB-C port, there is nothing at the bottom. Volume rocker and power button is on the right side. Fingerprint sensor is also integrated into the power button. So yeah, fingerprint sensor is on the right side. On the left side, you will find another button. This one is actually customizable. You can customize this button to open any application or do any specific task. One more time, this is a rugged smartphone and I really like the design. There is this metal finish on left and right, which gives it a nice vibe. Okay, let's check the weight of this rugged smartphone. Usually people feel like, wow, this is a rugged smartphone. Maybe this is so heavy. But let me show you, this one only weighs 297 grams, which is very close to my Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra and even less than my Oppo Find N. Okay, you can buy extra accessories like a protective case, which I have already bought with this smartphone. Inside the protective case box, there is a user manual. It shows how to use the protective case, how to put on and how to take it off. Also, there are other accessories, like there is a clip. Well, first let's put the protective case on Ulefone Armor 12 5G. Actually, it gets a bit bulkier, but yeah, adds extra protection. And if you want to carry it, like if you are climbing a mountain or if you are working somewhere, if you want to clip it on your belt or on your backpack, then this protective case offers those options. Let's power on our Ulefone Armor 12 5G. Okay, whenever I test a rugged smartphone and whenever these brands claim like, okay, this one comes with IP68, this one comes with IP69K, I think, okay, wait, I'm gonna test. I'm gonna put this in a water bucket and then I'm gonna test whether it's true or not. Actually, I have tried many times and this Ulefone Armor 12 5G is totally waterproof. You can go to swim with this one in your hand, nothing will happen. Straight out of the water, and then we are gonna play games on this one. Well, some people may ask who would play games on a rugged smartphone. This one comes with Dimensity 700 SoC, 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. So definitely we can play some games on this one. I'm using this Ulefone Armor 12 with a 5G SIM card. As this is a 5G smartphone, I'm getting very good 5G connectivity and download speed. Even if this is a rugged smartphone, I think this one offers one of the best gaming performance among any rugged smartphones, because this one comes with Dimensity 700 and a very good motherboard. Now let's talk about this customizable button. There are three options: single click, double click and long press. You can select one application or you can select different type of tasks or applications for single click, double click and long press. Let me try with Real Racing 3. Does it work? Yeah, it works and it works flawlessly. Okay, this Ulefone Armor 12 5G comes with a 6.52-inch 720p display, but this display panel is very good. Black is very dark and white is very bright. Colors are vivid and vibrant. If you want to compare this one with a flagship class AMOLED panel, then okay, that's not the right thing to do, but within its price range and among any other rugged smartphones, this is one of the best. And I personally believe the performance of this display panel is better than its price tag. What I like about this brand Ulefone is they always provide stock Android experience. Going through the settings or the applications, everything is snappy and battery smooth. Out of the box, this one comes with Android 11, and as far as I know, they will provide one major Android update. Okay, this one comes with the 18-watt charger, and as this one got 5180 mAh battery, this one takes a bit of time to get fully charged, but provides me with almost 2.5 days of battery life. And that's really more than good enough for me. Also, if I've forgotten to mention, this one supports wireless charging. Yeah, I'm not joking, a rugged smartphone supports wireless charging. Okay, let's talk about camera. There are 4 sensors at the back. One of those is 48 megapixel sensor of this device is very good. I have done a separate camera comparison video of this one along with 2 other rugged smartphones. If you are interested in camera performance, then I heavily recommend go ahead, watch that video. Altogether, in hand, it gives premium feelings, a very good build quality, a very good display performance, and even we can play games on this one. As this one is a 5G smartphone, 5G connectivity is a very important part, and I have really enjoyed very fast 5G connectivity, download and upload speed. Okay, it's time to wrap up, but before that, I would like to know what do you think about this smartphone. If you're interested in rugged smartphones, then I think you already know that this one is a better one. Well, if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel, share the love. The like and subscription button is over there. Go ahead, smash that like button. But if you have any other question about this smartphone, then please don't forget to make a comment and ask me. I'd love to reply to your comments.